I spent a week alone at this gorgeous mountain hut based in the Highlands. How wholesome it felt to spend time at such a minimal place surrounded by natural beauty. When disconnected from the outside world, priorities change and magical moments are created. Just going back to basics. This video is just highlighting my time there and showing you just glimpses of how much I enjoyed it. Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. If you haven't guessed, I am back in Scotland at the mountain hut and it feels so good to be here. Leading up to this, I had a little road trip up here, so I stopped off in the Lake District. And then I had a little bit of a drama once I was in Scotland and I basically rolled my car off the road into a ditch and thought it was going to be stuck. Luckily I'm fine, nothing happened to me or my car, but it just meant that I had to lash out a bit of money to get it recovered and back on the road. But other than that, it's all good. I got here and it feels so lovely and I can't wait to spend the next week here. The mountain hut is located in quite a remote area. It only supplies the bare minimum, which is an electric meter, a log burner and an oven, which is so more rewarding than the modern conveniences. However, this means that I had to get my own water from the stream whenever I needed it. I loved this process because you can actually see what you're drinking and what you're putting into your body. Plus it was also a good workout carrying 30 plus kgs back to the hut. As well as the extra maintenance and the standard chores that come with the less convenience, I spent a lot of my time studying nature, being outside, taking photos and videos, and just lapping up the peace and freedom of this place. It was a perfect opportunity to really reflect and soak in the present moment. As well as this, I spent my time going on long walks and climbing the multiple Munros in the area, which has now become a bit of an addiction. Firewood was a big demand as well, having to heat the cabin up with a wood burner, which meant a lot of splitting down wood to fit into the burner and make some nice kindling. This was such a treat, having wood on demand and being able to load up this lovely wood burner, which acted like my TV most evenings. So when it was raining and absolutely chucking it down, which it was 9 times out of 10, I'd spend the majority of my day indoors, either cooking, editing, and reading the multiple books or just trying to dry off and stay warm. The weather has been so grim today, and it's literally been one of those days where you just stay in, because it's been tipping it down pretty much since this morning. Now I'm making my dinner, which is nice, and having a sort of lazy day, editing and catching up on things and sorting out. But it's so cosy. It's so nice to have somewhere to come to and sit out of the rain while the weather is a bit grim. It was sad when the week finally came to an end. Yet again, I've stepped away from a trip feeling so fulfilled and complete. Another day in Scotland, another day of rain. To top it all off, I had Jake come visit me in his new van that he's beginning to convert to live in, which was a lovely surprise. Jake and I met up with a great friend, Charles, to climb a Munro in the area. It was an awesome day out hiking and great to bag a Munro. It was one of those days where you're faced with 4 seasons, as we were battered with snow, hail, rain and strong winds, as well as even getting to witness some sunshine on the summit. So today me and Jake are with Charles, and I'll get you to pronounce this. Right.
I'll have a shot at it. It's Skurnahulai.
Yeah.
That's as close as my Gaelic's going to get. And, Skur means rocky, so rocky peak.
It is a bit rocky. Got a little bit of snow up here, haven't we?
Yeah, we're on the almost near vertical right now, which is always fun.
And this is going to be your
54th Munro.
Yeah, 54.
51st this year. No, because we're in the new year, aren't we? So 4th this year.
4th this year. That's mad. That's good going.
So, yeah,
more to come.
4th of January. 4 a month. That's 1 a week, pretty much. Yeah.
That is good going. That is real good going.
It's 282 smashed out all the time.
Yeah, so you can see where we came up. There's Jake. Is that Jake's journey, mate? Fancy seeing you up here. I've had a great trip, and it was time to head down south, where you'll see that I did the Loch Lomond camp on the island in my recent video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me on my journey. I will see you on the next video. Thank you to all my Patreons for making this possible. Take care and keep smiling.